Hi, you're a boating or camping reseller, and your customers have the same problem: sliding, falling, rattling drinkware on the boat or in the motorhome. So I'm Christoph, and we invented this smart magnetic solution. I would like to present it now to you. A perfectly integrated magnet in the bottom of the glass finds its counterpart in metal nanogel pads. This pad is reusable, removable and washable, and it sticks to almost any surface. Really clever, isn't it? All our silwy products are made in Germany. We are producing this crystal glass line. It sounds brilliant. And of course, this high-tech plastic collection. Doesn't sound like crystal glass, but they have the look like crystal glass. Your customers will love silwy so much. Recently, we invented so many silwy accessories. For example, this metallic strip for storage upside down on the wall wherever you want. And really brand new, this metallic tray with a bottle holder, and with this solution you have never ever spilling, sliding or falling drinkware. Trust me, you will love this. In addition to our magnetic drinkware, we invented our hooks and pins. So it's the same system. You peel the coaster off. The coaster is washable, removable and reusable. And the coaster sticks to almost any surface as well. So our hooks and pins are very smart. So check them out and become a silwy fan. Look at this brand new beautiful silwy display. This display sells, and your customers will love silwy so much. Become now a silwy partner and get so much success. We are a young startup from Bavaria and winner of the German Innovation Award. All our parcels are packed with so much love. So become a silwy partner and you will have so much success. Click here. Cheers.